है वो बेसिकली इसके ऊपर है कि विच बुक आई हैव, और उसमें से कौन सी आई हैव नेवर रेड, नेवर. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Watch till the end. If you like it, then like, share, comment and become my सभी कभी ना कभी. घटिया क्वालिटी के लिए माफ़ करना. ये वाली बुक है रिच डैड पुअर डैड. ये मैं रीड कर चुकी हूँ. मैं आधे पे भी नहीं पहुँची हूँ, लेकिन आधे से थोड़ा कम पे पहुँची हूँ. आधे से थोड़ा कम. सो गुड. एक बुक तो इतना तो रीड किया मैंने. Next book is this Get Epic Shit Done. This is really a really good book. वो रिव्यू नहीं दे रही मैं, लेकिन मैं बस बता रही हूँ कि ये बुक रिव्यू ही हो गया मतलब. तो ये मैंने बहुत सारा इसमें से रीड किया हुआ है. पूरा नहीं रीड किया, मतलब इसमें बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस हैं. जो भी तुम्हें खुद से क्वेश्चन है वो तुम रीड करो, ठीक है. तो ये मैंने इतना रीड किया. मुझे नहीं पता था कि मेरे पास ये बुक भी है. आई एक्चुअली गॉट दिस बुक फॉर 30 रुपीज़ ओनली from I don't Matunga maybe, I don't remember, but कहीं ICT के आसपास, ICT जहाँ पे भी कॉलेज है उसके पास से ही मैंने बुक ली थी. 30 रुपीज़ ईच बुक मिल रही थी. मैं इसको कभी भी नहीं पढ़ी है. आई बॉट दिस बुक जस्ट फॉर द सेक ऑफ द प्राइस बिकॉज इट वॉज फॉर 30 रुपीज़. तो इसीलिए मैंने इसको खरीदा, नहीं तो मैं इसको खरीदती भी नहीं. मुझे पता ही नहीं. मुझे ये भी नहीं पता था इट इज़ अ रोमांस बुक.
Yeah, boy.
Stories of romance and suspense. I just felt like the cover is good. I judged the book by its cover, and I don't know. New York Times best-selling author. I will read it someday. I don't know which day, but someday. Next book is this. ये तो मैंने खाली 2-3 पेज ही पढ़े हैं इसके. मुझे नहीं पता इसमें क्या है. द पैलेस ऑफ इल्यूजन्स. हाँ, थोड़ा सा कॉन्टेक्स्ट है. इतने सारे मीनिंग्स लिखे हैं. मेरा प्रॉब्लम रीडिंग में ये है ना कि मैं एक मीनिंग ढूंढूंगी, फिर गूगल पे उसको जाके सर्च करूँगी, फिर जो नीचे वर्ड आते हैं ना उसको देखूंगी इसका मीनिंग क्या है. तो मीनिंग तो वो सब मैं यहाँ पे लिख लेती हूँ. एंड आई नेवर कम बैक टू रीड दैट. नेवर. बहुत अच्छे वर्ड्स हैं. तो इस चक्कर में मैं बुक रीड ही नहीं कर पाती, कंप्लीट ही नहीं कर पाती. फ्रॉम चित्रा बनर्जी. ये उसके ऊपर है, महाभारत के ऊपर है. फ्रॉम अ वुमेन्स पर्सपेक्टिव. तो ये ऐसा पूरा यहाँ पे चार्ट दिया हुआ है जो मेरे सड़े हुए कैमरा में दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है, लेकिन ठीक है. नेक्स्ट बुक इज दिस द सीक्रेट ऑफ नागास. जो है बैकग्राउंड चेंज हो गया है. नहीं, मुझे अगना नहीं है. Then which book we were on? We were on this book, The Secrets of Nagas. This is the second part. Why is my screen like that? The Secret of Nagas Part 2. This is the Part 2 and मैंने इसको ज़्यादा नहीं रीड किया. मैंने कुछ भी इसमें से ज़्यादा नहीं रीड किया. कुछ भी नहीं ज़्यादा रीड किया. Please see. It smells good. Smells good. Okay. The next book is from Sadhguru. कर्मा. ओके. मैंने इसको, इसमें भी यही हाल था कि मैंने सारे अंडरलाइन करके रखे हैं वर्ड्स. बहुत सारे अंडरलाइंस किए हैं. दिखेगा नहीं मेरे इस कैमरा में. और इसमें एक और बुक है विच इज़ माई फेवरेट. आई वॉज हुक्ड टू दैट बुक. इट्स कॉल्ड इनर इंजीनियरिंग एंड इट्स जस्ट so good. You must definitely read it. It's not boring. Some people call it boring. Might be boring for you. I can really judge it. Wait. Okay, smells bad. Anyway, but this is pirated, I can say, but I don't really care about pirated or whatever. Story has to be authentic. I gave inner engineering book to one of my cousins who gave me this book uske badle, and he told me that I'm going to return that book, and he lost it. The next book that we have is not very interesting. Don't judge my expressions. I mean, oh, I insulted it. No, I was just saying that this book is really good. It's the book called The Alchemist, and it's a fable about following your dream. It is really good. It talks about anxiety. It talks about depression. You must read it. You must read this book. It is really good. Oh my God, it smells so good. It smells extremely awesome, by the way. It smells so. I feel like eating it. But it's a really nice book. You should definitely try it. I'm not here to recommend, just saying. The Diary of a Young Girl from Anne Frank. She looks very dangerous. No, shut up. I should not say all of this. So this is Anne Frank, and ये भी मैंने starting में read किया था. She has a diary. She writes everything on a diary, and that's what we are reading. The next thing, I have not read that as well. Because last but not a least, last but not, the last book is this one, Man's Search for Meaning, and this is actually also all of them are thrifted. I don't think any one of them are real books, and I don't really care about it. So yeah, these are, ये ऐसे ही कंडीशन में था when I bought this, and all of these are cheap, 100, 150, all of that. तो भी मैंने पढ़ लिया स्टार्टिंग में, तो धीरे धीरे मुझे बोरिंग लगने लगा, सो आई जस्ट डिडंट रीड इट. दिस वन आई थिंक आई ऑलमोस्ट फिनिश्ड इट. I definitely like this. Inner Engineering, Islam and the Vedas. What else? Get a Picture Done. I have one more book which is just useless. It is the autobiography of some directors and all, which I really don't care for. I shouldn't say that, but anyway, I don't like such books, okay? I mean, if it is someone like Milkha Singh, someone like that, I would definitely read it, or Sushant Singh Rajput, or ऐसी books I would read, but that was really boring. So that was also I got from the same shop, 30 rupees का. ऐसे ही होता है मेरे साथ. I give them a book, they give me a book, मैं उसको संभाल के रखती हूँ. It's just so new. They have lost the book that I have given to them. This happens with me every single time. एक बार मेरे पास एक Cinderella की book थी. I gave she's the only best friend that I have. I gave that book to my best friend, and she gave me a book of another princess. बट द बुक दैट आई गेव टू, उसमें सारे प्रिंसेसेस की थी, और इसमें एक दूसरे प्रिंसेस की बुक थी जो मेरे पास अभी भी है, और उसने मुझे बहुत ख़राब कंडीशन में वो फटेली वटेली बुक दी थी, और मैंने उसको बहुत अच्छी सी बुक दी थी. व्हाटएवर, अच्छी हो या कैसी भी हो, शी लॉस्ट दैट बुक एंड इट वाज माय फेवरेट बुक, बिकॉज उसमें सारे प्रिंसेस की स्टोरीज थी, एंड शी लॉस्ट इट. आई मीन, and on that day I told her, I want that book anyhow, find it out or don't talk to me. She was like, I'll find it out, don't do that. But anyway, and my cousin also, he was like, I will find it out or whatever. He's like, I'll give you a different book that is also. I was like, no, I want that book only. I have not finished reading, and I want to finish reading that book. I have to start the habit of reading. I have to build a habit of reading, but it's been consistently 5 years that I have not read. I don't read. Nobody around me talks in English with me. None of my friends talk in English with me. And back in school, it was like everybody has to talk in English, and that time my vocabulary was top notch. I would definitely say that, because मैं रोज़ पढ़ती थी. So I was very interested in reading. I was very fluent as well. But 5 consistent years of not talking in English and only Hindi, that was a time where I was very comfortable with only speaking in Hindi, and because I didn't like, I was like, I don't like English only, but वो बहुत opposite हो गया था. But now I feel like I should get back to the track. Right now my English is like 7 to 8 standard kids English, but it should not be like that. I mean, I like people who speak good Hindi. I like people who speak good English. Hindi should also be good, English should also be good. So I should start reading again. I should, my vocabulary is just here now. No grammar whatsoever, and I have to impress myself. I have to do this for myself, because back at that time I was very confident. इतने साल से इंग्लिश या कोई लैंग्वेज अगर नहीं बोला है, तो ऑब्वियसली जब स्कूल के टाइम पे एक इंग्लिश एक प्रॉपर सब्जेक्ट होता था, और इंग्लिश मीडियम स्कूल को सब लोग बोलते थे इंग्लिश में बात करो, तो आई वॉज क्वाइट, दैट्स वाई आई वॉज क्वाइट गुड एट इट, क्योंकि उस टाइम प्रैक्टिस होता था कि यहाँ पे कोई इंग्लिश में बात ही नहीं करता. नोबडी डायरेक्टली कम्स एंड टॉक्स टू मी इन इंग्लिश फर्स्ट. I have to initiate it. I have to talk in English to them so that they understand that you also have to talk in English to me, because I want to improve. So that's why I initiate. But then everybody is comfortable in Hindi only. The world is not working with Hindi right now. It's working on English. So it's important. Also it's impressive to me. Also मेरी हिंदी भी ख़राब है अभी, मेरी English भी ख़राब है अभी. Everything is just. So I need to learn and practice again. someone who is very fluent in a language is very spectacular to me. Right now I want to do it for myself, and I should start reading, and I should do that. If I don't do it, that's bad. I told you what my problem is. I go to search like what distraction hota hai because of all of the reels that we watch the whole day. Attention span come okay. That's why I'm not to reading, but I was really hooked back then, and I miss myself. So I want to bring that back, and in a no what in a steady way, steady progressive way. So that was it, and I have more books by the way, but वो बच्चों की books हैं, and I've kept them. I'll make a video about that as well, maybe I don't know. But for me this is interesting, so I might make a video about it, but I'm lazy, so I might not go there and pick up books and bring that books to myself and then make a video. I'm just lazy to go there and bring books from that particular area. And वो सामने ही रखा था, so I thought let's make a video about it because I was going to talk to myself about it, so I thought let's record it. You should know what I think. Okay, so that was the video. Bye.